Compound assignment operators. There are different compound assignment operators are plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, percentage equal to. A plus equal to 10 is similar to A equal to A plus 10. Let's take an example. A equal to 10, A plus equal to 2. Print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is 12. Let's take another example. A equal to 10, A minus equal to 2. Print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is 8. Let's take another example. A equal to 10, A divided by equal to 2. Print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is 5.0. Let's take another example. A equal to 10, A percentile equal to 2. Print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is 0.